Good morning friends, and welcome back to Excel tips and tutorials once again. So I hope that you all are having a great day. So today I will be showing you a simple tip that you can use on MS Excel. So before that, let's go to this particular table. So you can see in the month field called month dates, and in months you can see month from January to December. So if you notice this table, you can see that two of the months have been stricken out, January and April. You can see a line crossing through the center of the text. That's called strike through. If you have used MS Word, you might have seen the option to create a strike through on a particular text. But when it comes to Excel, there's no tool to create a strike through for a particular text, but definitely there is a shortcut key for that, and the shortcut key is very simple. It's press Ctrl and then at the same time press 5, the number 5, numerical 5, or it's just simply write it down here, Control key plus the number 5. If you click on that, you'll be able to create a strike through for a particular text easily. So I will show you how to do it. Let's take the month of August. Now I am pressing Control, then now I am pressing 5. Yeah, the strike through is there. Again for October, I am clicking Control and clicking 5. And for June also, I am clicking Control then 5. So that's it. It's quite simple, but most of us are not aware about how to create a strike through on MS Excel. But in MS Word, it's easily available on the toolbox. But in MS Excel, in most of the versions, it's not available there. So what we need to do is we need to go for this shortcut key. So this is also very useful while creating reports. For getting a better interpretation of the reports, you need to put strike throughs on particular text on various occasions. So that's it. So I hope you understood how to create a strike through for a particular text on MS Excel. I am sure that this will be helpful for you, for those who don't know how to create a strike through on MS Excel. So I believe that you enjoyed and liked this video. If you like this video, please click on the like button, share it with your friends, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, click on the subscribe button, and at the same time also click on the bell icon so that you get further notifications from my channel whenever I upload a new video. So till I come with my next video, please stay tuned. Have a great day. Bye bye.